Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to enable constant fan on an older Amana hotel AC unit. These are also called PTAC units, stands for Package Terminal Air Conditioner. You might want to enable the constant fan so you get white noise at night. You can see this unit does not have a constant fan button. So first you'll need to turn on the unit, and then you'll press and hold the plus and minus buttons and then press off twice. You'll know you're in configuration mode when you see two dashes and a dot flashing. And now you just use the heat and cool buttons to scroll through the options. From this configuration table here, you can see option C2 is for the fan, and that this property they set it to C before I changed it, which means the fan will run continuously in cooling and cycle with the heating. So for constant fan, you'll want to change it to option A. The fan will always run even when heating or cooling is turned off. And another option you might want to adjust is option CD, which is the temperature units. So just scroll to option CD, and then use the plus or minus arrows to enter F for Fahrenheit or C for Celsius. And to save the settings and exit configuration mode, you just press off, and you'll see here the settings have been changed. Again, to enter configuration mode, just press and hold the plus and minus buttons and press off twice, and then use the heat and cool buttons to scroll to option CD and change it back to F for Fahrenheit, and then scroll down to option C2 to change the fan setting back to what it was set to. In this case, it was set to C. And to save the settings, just press off. Now you can see the unit's back to its normal settings. So that's going to be it for this quick video showing how to adjust some configuration settings in an older Amana PTAC unit. The link to the page of the service manual that I used will be in the description. Thanks for watching everyone. Be sure to get subscribed and check out other videos on my channel, including the full hotel tour at the Hampton Inn in Alpine, Texas.